What's up, guys? This is gonna be like a talking video. Let you know what's been going on. Let me show you here quick. Let me show you something. Got the shocks installed today. Boy, was that I didn't do it. I took it up, had the mechanic do it up at the Yamaha dealer. There they are. They're installed. KTCs are installed. I can feel a big difference riding. I mean, when you still hit bumps, you feel it, but riding on the with these new shocks is so much smoother. I tell you what, I couldn't do it. They had to tear the air box off. They tore the siding off. They took the back rack off just to get to there to get the bolts in. But yeah, there it is, guys. It is installed both sides, and even the exhaust, they tore the exhaust off just to get, just to get in there to get, get them shocks on. It took them like 45 minutes. I mean, these guys have done it before. They know what they're doing. But still, there was no way I was going to be able to do that, even by myself, or even, Lut's brother helping me. It was a lot involved. But anyways, I got that done. It's like 300 pesos, like $6 for them to do it. But that's what happened. That's what I did today. I haven't been filming because really kind of been by myself. Lut here. Lut will tell you. Lut is a new auntie.
Yes.
She's an aunt.
Yes.
An aunt, not like an ant.
My sister finally gave birth yesterday. Yesterday, right?
Was it yesterday? Yeah. Yeah. Sunday,
Yesterday at 3 a.m. in the afternoon.
Right.
Yeah. Do you want to interview me or what?
She went into labor like what?
She went to the labor like Saturday night.
Yeah.
And then Sunday morning at 3 o'clock she finally delivered. She get like long delivery.
3 o'clock in the afternoon she delivered.
Yeah. She get like how many hours she been like? 24, almost 24 hours.
That long?
Labor.
Yeah. And then Lut was telling me, like the father, nobody was allowed in the delivery room, right?
No.
Yeah.
When you give birth over here, I don't know which part, maybe in the hospital, something different. But over like we're like kind of clinic, we're like midwives or something. But where we at, to the clinic, we're not allowed to go inside. It's just only the person who's going to give.
What do they call them? Like a midwife or something?
Midwife.
Yeah.
And also the patient who was going to.
There was no doctor in there either.
No, they don't have doctor.
No doctor, nothing.
Yeah, there's last night is very yesterday it's very confused, but it's very like we're both scared because she's been already for how many hours.
Right.
Because she don't know how to push. And then because next from where the room is, they got two of them. One is my sister and the other one, she already delivered the baby. So it's like, when I hear the baby cry, I thought that's her already. And
right.
Her all like shout, yes, it's there. And then like, later on I heard like, she's still pushing. I thought baby's come already.
And Lut was telling me like, they put the baby in the room with the mother. There's no nursery or anything like that.
After she gave birth, they clean the baby first,
right.
And then they put the baby to the room first with the watcher inside. And then the mother still need to go there to the delivery room for like 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the mother will go to that room. The mother and the baby should like stay together.
Now there was no like ID bracelets put on or anything like. There's nothing like that.
It's just like the baby's covered with a pink dye.
And it's a separate, like it's a building that just they go to, and all they do is birth there.
Birth place.
Birth like a birth clinic.
But we call this like paanakan. Paanakan means like birthplace, like all the pregnant women are going to deliver there. If that's normal. Except when you go to cesarean, you need to go to the hospital.
Right. So that's what was going on yesterday. Sunday, I stayed home. I I turned on the air, I laid inside, I watched some TV, rested up a little bit. I haven't ran the air conditioner, the big one, maybe twice since we've been here. But what else is going on?
Oh, she should ask me how.
Oh, wait. Here we go. Now, Luisa's sister has PhilHealth, which is the healthcare you can get here in the Philippines.
Yes.
And it covers, certain things. Now, how much, you guys ready for this? You're not going to believe it. How much was her bill for the birth?
4,000 pesos.
4,000 pesos.
Usually her bill is like 10,000, but the PhilHealth covered 6,000, so it's only like 4,000.
Yeah. So PhilHealth covered 6,000 pesos.
Yeah,
and it was 4,000 she paid, so like 80 bucks. Even if she didn't have PhilHealth, it would have been, what did you say,
$200.
like 200 bucks. And that's with a simple delivery, nothing extravagant or anything like that.
And I'm going to reveal the gender. We have a baby girl.
Yeah. So that's what was going on yesterday. Here's something I want to ask you guys. Tell me if we're right or we're wrong. All right. Hannah Grace spends way too much time on her tablet. Way too much. She'll come home. Sometimes she'll do her homework right away. Sometimes she won't. If not, she'll jump on a tablet. And then she'll do her homework. And then she'll jump back on the tablet. All week long she does this. Hours. And I told her, I said, you know what? We need to get her, during the week, only a few hours. There's kids here she can play with. These kids showed up and she didn't want to go out and play with them because the tablet is more important. So, she's mad, she's crying, she's upset. You know what? I think 2 hours a night is definitely plenty good. Yeah, she needs to get out and play. I mean, there's kids here to play with. Lots of kids to play with. Am I right? Am I wrong? You know how many hours I spent on my tablet growing up? You guys ready for this? We didn't have tablets. We didn't have cell phones. We went outside and we played. But yeah, also, here's another thing that today, like I said, I went up and I got the shocks put on and stuff. Lud and her brother.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go back to Lud.
But ako.
Lud and her brother, because her brother came up here. I get some better light here so you can see the beautiful Lud.
Yeah.
There we go. Lud's brother's up here. He came up this past weekend. He's looking for a job. Down in the province. There's jobs there, but they don't pay anything, Yeah. And he's got degrees and stuff like that. So we figured bring him up here. Better job opportunity up here. There he is. There's the big guy. And so Lut and her brother today, to get jobs here, you need certain papers. Before you can apply, these are just papers that they always ask for. So Lut and her brother, what did you guys do today?
We went to Robinson, we get NBI.
NBI clearance you need.
Clearance.
NBI stands for the National Bureau of Investigation.
Yes,
and they run a background check and
run background check. If you don't have you don't have any cases, criminal like that. And then you need to get like 1 by 1, 2 by 2 ID. And then you need to get resume, you need to get 2 valid ID, you need to get birth certificate, you need to get SS, you need to get PhilHealth, you need to get pag-ibig, and prior to get that, and prior to find the job, however, to find it, that's the document they always ask you.
They require all these documents before you even, when you apply.
Yeah.
Not like back in the States, ID, and that's really about it for just a regular job. Other jobs require more, but that's what Lut and her brother did today. Got NBI background clearance, got PhilHealth.
Yeah, and that's like kind of like mess also when we get to NBI, because they have a long line over there when we went to the cashier to pay our we wants to pay, and then half of that one then they told us like offline. It's like, really? I was like, we stayed there for how many?
So one thing along the way can
Oh.
mess it up. But you did wind up paying. You went somewhere else to pay for
We
it, right?
went to upstairs again.
Yeah,
And then we paid over there also.
yeah. But it's a process of waiting this line, waiting this line, waiting this line, waiting this line.
Like my head is already spinning.
But and that just those two things took
One day.
pretty much all day just to do that, and that's typical here. But that's kind of what was been going on. Nothing really exciting. Overcast, waiting for it to rain. Bachoy's here. There's Bachoy. Bachoy. There's your brother.
Yeah.
He'll get a job.
What kind of job?
He's looking into what?
We look for a lot of agency because he really wants to be a soldier, but I don't know why the soldier don't like him either.
Yeah.
We try to find a lot of agency to take the examination.
All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I think I'll leave you guys with a little of Bachoy action. A little bit of Bachoy action.
Ouch! Ow! Sorry, correct. Ayaw na. No, wala sila.